How to delete bots from Telegram permanently. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Telegram bots permanently. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously head over to your Telegram app, and here all you have to do is find the bot that you want to delete. So here is a bot called Hamster Combat. Now if I want to start anything with the bot, I just have to type in /start. As you can see, it automatically suggests the command. Now if you want to continue with the bot or interact with it, you can do whatever you want from here. But in order to delete it permanently, what you will have to do is go ahead and go to your inbox and long press on this message. Now you will see this trash icon right here, which will permanently delete the bot, and it will also block the bot if you want, or if you don't want it to block the bot and use it in the future, you can do that as well and tap on delete chat. So you will have 5 seconds to undo, but if you want to permanently delete, you'll just have to let it go. Here is another example. I'm just going to long press on this and tap delete. I've also blocked the bot this time, so it won't be able to interact with me in the future as well. So that's pretty much it. If you found it helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.